One of the things that Florence Scovel Shinn talks about in her book, The Game of Life and How to Play It, is how to get rid of fear. And her answer is simple. She says the only way to get rid of fear is to walk up towards the thing that you're afraid of. There's a quote that she shares inside her book: the lion takes its fierceness from your fear. So if you walk up to the lion, he will disappear. But if you run away, he runs after you. Of course, she's not talking about a literal lion. Please don't run to a lion. She's talking about what she says, the lion of lack. So when you focus so much on what you don't have, and that creates fear within you, you're only perpetuating and creating more of what you're afraid of. So if you find yourself feeling fear, just know that fear can be redirected and transmuted into faith. If you're fearing money, you can remind yourself that God is the ultimate giver, and I thank God for the unlimited supply of abundance. In her book, Florence also talks about fearing a specific personality trait or even germs. She says all you have to do is walk up to the thing or put yourself in the environment of what you're afraid of, and you will be immune to it. And sometimes fear is larger in our heads, but once we actually do the thing and face our fears, we start to realize it really wasn't that bad. It's not as big as what our mind made it out to be. So share with me in the comments below how you are going to face your fears today. What is something that you're afraid of? What fears are holding you back? Let me know in the comments below. Ask me any questions. Thank you for watching. Follow for more, and I'll see you next time.